Owls are birds with a flat face and large eyes that hunt small mammals at night. Owls are sometimes known as birds of prey because they are specialized hunters. These birds are found in all the regions of the earth except Antarctica and Greenland. Owls are divided into two families. They are true owl family known as Strigidae and barn owl family known as Titonidae. Owls can fly about 40 meter to 100 meter. Different types of owls makes different kinds of sounds. Observe the sounds of different types of owls. Owls are carnivorous mammals that eats various kinds of food items like reptiles, amphibians, birds, small mammals, water, insects, and fish. Observe and eating habits of owls.